In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively seek help for account recovery by navigating through ClickUp's support options. This process is straightforward, and by following these simple guidelines, you'll soon be chatting with a support assistant to resolve any issues you might have. The first step is to head over to the ClickUp website. If you haven't been there before, ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool that helps teams manage their projects and tasks efficiently. Once you're on their website, you'll notice a variety of options that cater to different user needs, from beginners to advanced users. What we're interested in today is the support offered by ClickUp. Next, look for the Help and Contact section. You should be able to find this easily, usually located towards the bottom of the web page or under a dedicated menu tab. The Help and Contact area is specifically designed to assist users in resolving any issues or queries they might have during their ClickUp journey. When you find it, go ahead and click on Contact Us. This is your gateway to getting the support you need. Once you're in the Contact section, you'll see several options for reaching out to ClickUp's support team. Click on Account, which is where you'll find solutions related to your personal or business account settings. It's here that users often find guidance for common issues, but we're looking to go a step further. To proceed with account recovery, select the option that says Account Restrictions and Suspensions. This is particularly important if you're facing problems like locked accounts or similar restrictions. These topics are thoughtfully structured to direct you to the right advice or resource. Now here's where things start to get interactive. By choosing Chat with our automated assistant, you're paving the way for a faster resolution. The automated assistant is designed to answer a wide range of questions and guide you through typical problems right away. However, if your matter is more complex or requires human intervention, don't worry. You have the option to escalate your issue to a live assistant from here. When you begin chatting with a live assistant, you'll benefit from personalized support to help recover your account swiftly and effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving any issues with ClickUp and recovering your account if necessary. Remember, the key here is to navigate confidently through the support options to ensure you reach the assistance you need. Make sure to keep any relevant information handy, such as your account details or specific error messages, as these will help expedite the support process. Thanks for joining me in today's guide, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need more assistance, feel free to explore the FAQs or contact the ClickUp team directly for further support.